Hi, this is Jens from Definite Chocolate. We are a small bean-to-bar craft chocolate maker in the Dominican Republic. And today we are trying a 70% chocolate bar with Crunchy Cassava. Cassava is really important to the Dominicans, and already the indigenous people, they used to make cassava bread from the yucca root. The cacao comes from Caribe. It's a well-known local producer of fine flavored cacao. When you try this bar, you can taste notes like dried fruits, like plums or raisins, and with the roasted cassava, it gives you a really nice crunch to it, and also a touch of saltiness from the sea salt. What we definitely try to do is always incorporate Dominican ingredients, because we want to tell a story, and also we want you to feel a really unique Dominican experience. What we want you to feel is, when you try our chocolate, as if you were traveling through the Dominican country. Enjoy your travels.